Hello everyone. Today we are going through criteria for similarity of triangles. Here we will study three criteria for similarity of triangles. First one is A criterion. That is angle criterion. In this criterion, in two triangles, if corresponding angles are equal, then corresponding sides are in proportional. That is, corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and hence two triangles are similar. For example, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. If corresponding angles are equal, that is, if angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F, then corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That is, then AB divided by DE is equal to BC divided by EF is equal to AC divided by DF. Okay, and hence triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. It is the A criterion. Second one is SSS criterion. That is side criterion. In this criterion, in two triangles, if corresponding sides are in the proportional, then corresponding angles are equal, and hence two triangles are similar. So here also let's take two triangles. Triangle ABC, triangle DEF. If corresponding sides are in the proportional, that is, if AB divided by DE is equal to AC divided by DF is equal to BC divided by EF, then corresponding angles are equal. Then angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. And hence these two triangles are similar. Hence triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay. Next, third criterion is SAS criterion, side angle side. So in this criterion, in two triangles, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle, and two sides including this angle are proportional, then these two triangles are similar. That is, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Okay, if angle A is equal to angle D, and the sides including these angles are proportional, that is, side AB divided by AC is equal to AB divided by DE is equal to AC divided by DF. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. It is the SAS criterion, side angle side criterion. Now let's go through some examples based on these criteria. First one, state which pairs of triangles in the given figure are similar. Also state the similarity criterion used. Here three triangles are given, but here angles are not mentioned, right? So let's check the proportionality of the sides. First of all, here let's consider these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So here AB divided by DF is equal to 4 divided by 6, that is 2 by 3, right? Next, AC divided by DE, that is equal to 3 divided by 4.5. 1.5 2s are 3, 1.5 3s are 4.5, right? That is 2 by 3. Next, BC divided by EF is equal to 5 divided by 7.5. Here 2.5 2s are 2.5 3s are. That is equal to 2 by 3. So here we have got that sides are in the same ratio. Okay, that is sides are in proportional. So here AB by DF is equal to AC by DE is equal to BC by EF. Therefore, by SSS criterion, these two triangles are similar. Okay, here AB by DF is equal to AC divided by DE is equal to BC divided by EF. Hence, triangle ABC and triangle DFE are similar by SSS criterion. See, when we take these proportional, we will not get same. Okay, these numbers are, ratio of these numbers are not same. Okay, therefore, here only these two triangles are similar. Look at the next question. In the given figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle QPR if AC is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 5 cm, QR is equal to 3 cm and PR is equal to X. Then the value of X is dash. It is already given triangle ABC is similar to triangle QPR. Very simple question. See here, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle QPR, here their sides are in proportional, right? Therefore, we can write corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, AB is not given. So, let's write AC. AC divided by QR is equal to BC divided by PR. Okay, corresponding sides are in the proportional. Okay, so AC by QR is equal to BC by PR. That implies here what is AC? 6 divided by QR 3 is equal to BC is 5 divided by PR X. That implies 6x is equal to 15. That implies x is equal to 15 divided by x. 15 divided by 6. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are. That is 2.5 centimeter. So x is 2.5 centimeter. Look at this question. In figure, PA, QB and RC are each perpendicular to AC. If x is equal to 8 centimeter and z is equal to 6 centimeter, then y is equal to dash. Very important question. It is the given figure. Okay, and it is given that these PA, QB, RC are perpendicular to AC. Therefore, angle A, angle B, this angle C makes 90 degree. Okay, and here, so okay, first of all, here we have to take similar triangles. Okay, so first of all, let's consider this triangle, triangle PAC and QBC, because here angle A and angle B are 90 degree, right? And C is the common triangle. So here two triangles are similar, right? Therefore, by AA criterion, we can say these two triangles are similar, right? That is triangle PAC, PAC and triangle QBC, QBC. Here angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree, right? And angle C is the common angle. So we have got two angles are corresponding angles are equal, right? Therefore, by AA criterion, triangle PAC similar to triangle QBC, right? Since these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportional, right? That is, PA divided by QB is equal to AC divided by BC is equal to PC divided by QC. Okay, now what is PA? X. X divided by QB is Y is equal to AC by BC. See here, let's take AB be A and BC by B. Okay, so here AC is A plus B. A plus B divided by BC is B. Okay, it is equal to, here we don't know these values, write as it is, PC divided by QC. Okay. After that, see here in this Z is not included, right? Therefore, again we have to consider two triangles, similar triangles which including Z. Okay. So here let's take ACB, triangle ACR, okay, ACR and triangle ABQ, triangle ABQ. See here angle C and angle B. Angle C, ACB, angle C is 90 degree, ABQ, angle B is 90 degree and A is the common angle. So by criteria, AA criteria, these two triangles are similar, right? Triangle ACR is similar to triangle ABQ, okay, because angle C is equal to angle B, that is 90 degree, and A is the angle A is the common angle. Therefore, by AA criterion, these two triangles are similar. Since these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in the proportional. That is, AC divided by AB is equal to AR divided by AQ is equal to CR divided by BQ. Right? That is, AC by AB. What is AC? A plus B. That implies A plus B divided by AB is A is equal to AR, we don't know AR value, AR divided by AQ, AR by AQ is equal to CR, means RC, that is Z. Z divided by BQ is Y. Okay, now here let's avoid this PC by QC. In this AR by AQ, we don't know these values. Okay, now let's write. See, X by Y is equal to A plus B divided by B. Okay, first equation. And here Z by Y is equal to A plus B divided by A. Now let's take the reciprocal of this. See here A plus B is here. So let's make it in the denominator. So for that we have to take the reciprocal. That is, here Y by X is equal to B by A plus B, right? It is the first equation. And here Y by Z is equal to A by A plus B. Okay, it is the second equation. Now add these two equations. That is, Y by X plus Y by Z is equal to B by A plus B plus A by A plus B. That implies here Y is common. So Y into 1 by X plus 1 by Z is equal to, Here a plus b is common. Okay, take 1 by a plus b outside. You will get, that is, okay, it is a plus b, same denominator, right? So directly we can add, right, numerator. So a plus b divided by a plus b, that is equal to 1. That implies 1 by x plus 1 by z is equal to 1 by 1. Okay. Now here in this question, we have to find the value of y. We have x and z values. Substitute x and z values so that we will get y value. See, sometimes in this question, you will be asked to prove 1 by x plus 1 by z is equal to 1 by 1. Okay. But here we have to find the value of y, and if x and y, x and z values are given. Okay. That is, here 1 by x, that is 1 by 8 plus 1 by z, that is 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 1. That is 6 plus 8, 14 divided by 48 is equal to 1 by 1. That implies 2 sevens are 224. Okay. So 7 by 24, that is y is equal to 24 by 7. Okay. 1 by y is equal to 7 by 24. So y is equal to 24 by 7. It is the correct answer. It's very important question. Sometimes you will be asked to prove 1 by x plus 1 by z is equal to 1 by y. Okay. In an equilateral triangle, triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9 into AD square is equal to 7 into AB square. Okay, so it is given that, first of all, equilateral triangle ABC. So equilateral triangle means 3 sides are equal, right? So triangle ABC, equilateral triangle, and D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Okay, let the point D be here. Okay, and now let's draw an altitude of this triangle perpendicular to BC. Okay, altitude AE perpendicular to BC. Okay, now let's join this. Here, consider triangle AEB, a right angle triangle, right? AEB, right angle triangle, triangle AEB. Here, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square, right? AE square plus BE square, because this triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay? That is AE square is equal to AB square minus BE square. Okay? Now, what is BE? Here BE is nothing but AE is an altitude, right? Therefore, E is a midpoint of this BC, right? Therefore, BE is nothing but BC by 2. So, what is BE? B is equal to BC divided by 2. That is equal to, what is BC? Here we can write BC is equal to AB, because these 3 sides are equal, right? Therefore, it is equal to AB by 2. Okay? So that we can substitute. Here we have AB, right? So let's substitute here. That is AE square is equal to AB square minus BE square. What is BE? AB by 2. So BE square is AB square by 4. That is equal to 3 by 4 AB square. Okay. Now, next we will consider another right angle triangle AED. Okay. Triangle AED. Right angle triangle AED. Here angle is angle E is 90 degree. Okay. Then by Pythagoras theorem, here we can write AED, right? So AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. Okay, DE square. Now what is DE? DE is equal to, see, BE minus BD, right? BE minus BD. BE minus BD. Now what is BE? That is BE is equal to BC by 2, right? BC divided by 2 minus what is BD? It is given. BD is 1 by 3 into BC, right? 1 by 3 into BC. That is equal to 6 is the LCM, right? So 3 minus 2, 1. So 1 by 6, right? So BC divided by 6. DE is equal to BC by 6. Now let's substitute this here. So AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. That is AD square is equal to AE square. We have got AE square is equal to this one, right? That is 3 by 4 AB square plus DE square. DE is BC by 6. So BC square divided by 36. Okay. Now here we can write, see, AB square, BC square. We can, what we have to prove? AB square, right? Therefore we can write here AB itself. BC is equal to AB, right? BC is equal to AB because three sides are equal. Okay. Therefore here we can write 3 by 4 AB square plus AB square by 36. So here AB square is common. AD square is equal to AB square is common. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 36. Okay. That implies that is equal to AB square into, here 36 is the LCM. So here we have to multiply 9. 9 3s are 27 plus 1 divided by 36. That is equal to 28 AB square divided by 36. Okay. So here 2, 14, 2, 18, 7, 9. Right? That implies 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Yes. Hence it is proved. 9 AD square is equal to, see, we have taken this 9 left side, okay, and 7 into this AB square, that is 7 AB square. 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square.